And welcome to another video. I am your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. In this video, I'm going to be covering how to successfully market products in 2020 for Shopify Dropshipping. Definitely make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video. If you enjoy if you get any type of value throughout this video, all I want you to do is smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you can do so by hitting that red button now. I've been talking with a lot of people. A lot of people been leaving comments on my videos. Thank you in advance for doing that. And they all have come to a common denominator, which is, okay, you give us the winning products, you give us the detailed targeting, but how do we actually go out and market the products that you're showing us? Which is a good question. So in this video, I want to answer that for everyone who's been commenting. So I got two products for you. And then I'm going to go on Facebook and I'm going to show you some of the competitors who are already launching Facebook ads for these products so you can see how the competition is marketing these products. Definitely stay all the way to the end. So as we have here, the first product is this 29-in-1 multi-tool wearable stainless steel bracelet. Try saying that 10 times fast. Selling price is $50. Product cost is $21.62, giving us a profit margin of, sorry, y'all, I'm sick. Profit margin of $28.37. As we continue to scroll down, we have a nice ready to go product description for our Shopify product listing. We have 3 AliExpress suppliers, a link to Alibaba for those of you doing Amazon FBA, a link to Amazon for those of you selling on Amazon, a link to eBay. We can also take a look at some of our competition who's already selling this product right here. This website is typicalgoodies.com. Interesting name. As mentioned, here is the product that our competition is selling. Off first impression, it looks like it is a general store. That's just the vibe that I'm getting from the store. I like how it doesn't have like a pop out or it's automatically trying to get my email. I like that. It looks kind of plain, but for the most part, it does have one of the factors that I always say in my videos, which is to have pictures throughout the listing. So as you see while I'm scrolling and I'm reading, I mean, they could do a little bit more to make the description stand out. But as I'm scrolling and I'm reading, you know, there's always pictures going along with it. Okay, so now we get into the gifts. This is nice. Okay, so now it's starting to get more brandable. Product details, package includes shipping. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. I can definitely see you out. Whoa, hold on. I can definitely see you outranking the competition for that. I mean, their product listing isn't bad, but they only got like a couple gifts, and they also need to add some reviews to that. They definitely need to touch that up. Moving along here, let's get into the interest. So provided through dropshiphunter.com, which you can click below in the comment section. Use code MrDavinci20 to sign up to dropshiphunter.com. Country, we're going to be looking at USA. Gender is all, meaning both male and female. Age range 18 through 65. And interest, bracelet or home improvement. Scrolling down, we have a nice ready to go video ad for our Instagram feed and our Instagram stories along with our Facebook feed. I haven't tested out Facebook stories. If you're running ads and Facebook stories is converting for you, comment below, because that's something I'm looking into testing, but I haven't really decided on that yet. So comment below if you are. Now, here's what I wanted to show you. So let's take a look at this, at someone who's already running a Facebook ad for this product. So let's see how they're going about marketing this. Oh, same store, ironically. Sorry, y'all. I'm really sick. Wish me well. So, as you see here, they only got one sentence and telling them to get it now. Let's take a look at the engagement. Again, nice engagement. We got 878 different types of engagement, feedback, 134 comments. There's a way how we can look at how they're targeting, but I'm unable to do this as of right now. So now I'm just going to take a look at the video ad. Pretty sure it's the same one that you can get through dropship100.com. Again, you can get access to that by going to the first thing in the comment section. And when you sign up, hey man, I'm trying to help you save money. Just use code MrDavinci20 and get that 20% off for your first month. I'm helping you not only get free winning products, but I'm helping you save money. It's a win-win for you all around. But as you see, they have a nice video. Personally, I like videos that have a little text. I know Facebook is kind of scarce when it comes to that, but I mean, hey man, you know, I just feel like when you're watching a video, it helps when there's also text to go along with the video that helps explain, you know, the benefits of the product and why consumers want it. So that's the first product I have for you. You thought I was done, but I'm not done, because here I come with another winning product for you. Now, this product has done very, very good. I slept on this product. This did good in 2018. It looks like it's coming back around. You can go on Google Trends. You can search up magnetic lashes. They are a very good evergreen product, meaning women are always wanting these. But yeah, so our selling price is $24.99. Product cost is $4.34, giving us a profit margin of $20.65. As always, we have a nice ready to go description for our Shopify product listing. We have links to 3 AliExpress suppliers, link to Alibaba, link to Amazon, link to eBay. We can also take a look at our competition selling this product. You know what? We're going to do that right now. So the name of this website, oh shit, Figeli? I think it's Figeli. Yeah, we're going to go with Figeli. All right, so here we are. Off bat, they already caught my attention. They have a nice big red 50% off. They have the different styles of which you can choose. Already, they've captured my attention. They have a nice slideshow going on the side. It's not too distracting, but it also keeps my attention. They continue to scroll down. Their first sentence of their paragraph is asking a question, which is nice. You want to be inside your consumer's head. They have 3 reviews. So it's not a bad page. There is room for improvement. There's always room for improvement, but there is a lot that could be done. They need to add more pictures. I mean, they got pictures over here on the side, but they can add some pictures throughout the text. Though, as I previously just said, they need to add some GIFs, or they need to add some videos to really capture the consumer's full attention when scrolling on their page to make a decision if they would like to buy this or not. So let's continue scrolling down. Interests would be eyelash extensions and engaged shoppers. Country is USA. Gender all, though I suggest that you target females specifically. Age range 18 through 65. And as always, we have a ready to go Facebook, Instagram. We have a ready to go video ad for our Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and Instagram stories. Those are the big 3 that I use when targeting. If anyone was curious, I say this throughout many videos, though people still ask me. Again, I use Facebook feed, Instagram feed, and Instagram stories. Now, let's take a look at what our competition is doing on Facebook when running this product. And as you see, this is a different brand. This is 7 Paper. It's an interesting choice for a brand, but hey, if it's working, it's working. Obviously, it's working. Look at the engagement, 7.2K, 4K comments. Whoever is this 7 Paper, definitely making sales, I'm assuming. And the video is only 12 seconds long, so I'm just going to play it here. Again, this doesn't have text, but it's showing the product in use. That is also another good way to get your products across to your end consumer. They probably don't have a shop now button. No, don't get distracted by that. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, so 12-second video ad, video creative, 7.2 engagement, 4K comments. It's safe to say, you know what? Let's see if they have a Bitly link. And they don't. So I'm assuming they have a shop now button. Regardless, it's safe to say that they're making sales. So continuing on this, check out the next video that I have for you. The playlist should be popping up on the screen. I will see you in the next video. Make sure to smash that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. If you want to work with me one-on-one, click on the first link in the description. We can work together for a minimum of 30 minutes all the way up to an hour plus. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.